with this hair. If you're not new here, I've been trying to give wigs and frontals a break. I love when my hairline can like breathe, okay? So we're trying curly clip-ins from Curlsqueen, and I'm trying Jerry curls today, 18 inch. First I'm gonna wash the hair to really, you know, test the hair out, okay? And the box is so freaking cute. And they gave me a cute little package. The best part, the hair. Fresh out the package, really tight and full. This is gonna make my hair so much fuller. Oh my gosh. If you're not familiar with clip-ins, they all come in like different sizes because you know your head is not the same size everywhere. But I'm gonna start washing the two clip-ins that are like similar in length. I'm about to go ahead and wash the hair, and I'm just gonna use some Cantu shampoo and conditioner. And the curls, okay. So one thing about my hair, my shrinkage is crazy. My hair doesn't dry down, it dries out. And hear me out, hear me out. I'm thinking the clip-ins are gonna give me length and volume at the same time. And they gave me a Curlsqueen brush.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished now, I just begun. I ain't giving out no nutty to no nigga just for fun. Are you done? The man, I don't know no other man. You f like 100 niggas just for 100 bands.
Literally getting excited because I just watched 2 of the strips. I don't even have to say too much. This hair is so healthy and pretty. Look at the length, look at the curls. Oh my god, this is so freaking pretty. Like imagine like this in my hair. I'm ready. I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready. The shrinkage is crazy. Now I'm just gonna go in and wash all the clip-ins, wash, condition, style, and everything, and just let them air dry. And I just wanna say this clip-in process, this install was very, very simple. I hope I'm making it look easy because it really is. And then the wash was so simple too. I used all the clip-ins. There's 10 clip-ins in total, and they're all like different sizes, but they have matching pairs. There's 2 clip-ins that come with 3 clips, the one right here. There's another one that comes with 4 clips, another one with 5 clips, and then there's 4 clips that have 2 clips on them, and those small clips will be at the top of your head. As you can see right here, I'm making my way up, and that's where you want to start. You want to start at the back of your head and work your way up. And when I say the clip-in process is so simple, like you literally unclip, find your placement, and literally just snap it, and it literally is secure, just like that. Like you don't have to worry about it slipping, falling, nothing. You're good to go. This is gonna come out so cute. I already can tell, and it's blending really nicely too. In terms of pattern, like the patterns are looking good. My curl pattern and the clip-in curl pattern. Now I need to find the next size. So as you can see, this is the longest one. This one is really, really long, so it's gonna be in like the center of my head. So I'm just gonna go in with the second largest size. So I told you that my hair dries out. Like this is what it's gonna do. So I'm gonna try to blend it out using a lot of gel so my hair can like stay down just a little bit. As you can see, I made it to the 4 clip mark, and if you have any questions or if I skipped over anything you're confused, please comment down below and I got you. And when you're at the 4 clip mark, you should be kind of in the middle of your head. And I say kind of in the middle of your head because at the 5 clip mark, you should literally be in the center of your head, just so the placement can be perfect. So as you can see, I'm just unclipping, and then I literally just clip it in my head. I literally only have 3 sets of clips in my hair, and it's this full, and it's wet. Imagine when it's dry, it's gonna be so cute. This is my hair. As you can see, we're almost done, but the lengths or my hair isn't fully blending, and that's because the clip-ins are still wet. You saw it in the beginning when they were literally that small, but we're gonna see when it dries. But when you're at this point of your head, with literally just like the center, just a little bit of the top left, you should have 4 little clips, and all of the 4 little pieces should have 2 clips.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake.
This is so cute. Like, hello. This looks so good. This is gonna be so freaking cute when I'm all dressed up. And y'all, this is perfect because I'm literally on vacation right now. Oh, I'm gonna have so much fun with this curly hair. Putting the last 2 clips in and then we're all done. Obsessed with this hair. One, it's gonna make me rock my natural hair more and get my curls to where I want them to be in terms of health. No more heat damage over here, okay? Oh my god, this is so freaking beautiful. I'm gonna come back when it's fully dry so you can see the full look. This hair is crazy beautiful. All I have to say is that this hair is perfect for the summer, and I told you I'm on vacation right now. I literally wore this out today. I'm gonna wear it out tomorrow and the rest of the trip. From their slogan, fresh gifted female black, to their texture, to the length, to the the way it blends, to the quality, and yeah, clip-ins are gonna be my go-to, especially these clip-ins because they're so versatile. I can do my half up, half down, I could do a side part, I could do slick pony, any type of pony that I want to do. And keep in mind, this is 18-inch, but the curls are so healthy that it's literally here. But it's so pretty, and it blends with my hair really nicely too. And I wore it out all today, and I'm going to wear it out the rest of this vacation. Real up close look at these curls. First of all, they're so healthy, and do you see the volume in this? It's literally my natural hair, but just longer, and I'm literally in love. And as you can see, I'm moving the clip-ins out the way so you can see where my natural hair is, and it just blends really nicely. I'm in love, and this is my hair. Nobody can tell me anything else, okay? Overall, this hair is a 10 out of 10 for me. Let me know what you think, because me, I'm gonna be wearing this hair all the time. Half up, half downs, ponies, anything. But yeah, I'm in love. Let me know if you're in love, because this hair is crazy beautiful. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.